In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct TikTok Lite app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So because we have so many imitations of apps, you might be confused in identifying the correct app. To get the right TikTok Lite app, first I'll uninstall this app to show you how to get the correct one. Now from here, you need to look for this app called Play Store. That is if you are on Android smartphone. However, if you're on iPhone, look for an app called App Store. So I'll tap on Play Store here to open, and using this search bar, I'll just search the app by name. So I'll search for TikTok Lite like that, and then run my search. As you can see, we have the app. Before you install, open and read the details about the app. First, make sure it is from TikTok Pte Limited, and this is the tagline: save data. That is the sole purpose of the Lite app. And one key difference between TikTok app and TikTok Lite app is this bold sign here. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 10 million downloads, so it is a very widely used app. Currently, this app has over 1 billion downloads, so this data might have changed by the time you are watching this. And because it is a Lite app, it is only currently 5.3 MBs. If you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. Now to get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of TikTok Lite app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, you can go ahead, open it from here, and this is the welcoming logo. So that's how you can install the right TikTok app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.